In a dramatic political shift in Nepal, 35-year-old Balen Shah, popularly known as Balen, has taken oath as the youngest prime minister in the country's history. His rise is nothing short of extraordinary, from a rapper and structural engineer to the top political office in the Himalayan nation. The swearing-in ceremony took place in Kathmandu, blending tradition and symbolism as Balen officially became Nepal's 47th Prime Minister. Appointed by President Ramchandra Paudel, his victory marks a generational shift in leadership after months of unrest and political instability. What makes this story even more interesting for Indian viewers, especially those in Bengaluru, is Balen's connection to Karnataka. After completing civil engineering in Nepal, he pursued his master's in structural engineering from Visvesvaraya Technological University. That makes him one of the few South Asian leaders with an academic link to India's tech and education hub. Balen's political journey gained momentum during his tenure as mayor of Kathmandu, where he introduced bold reforms, cleaning up the city, improving sanitation, and pushing for transparency in governance. But his popularity truly exploded among Gen Z voters. His earlier career as a rapper, where he spoke against corruption and social injustice, helped him connect deeply with the youth. In the recent election, Balen delivered a stunning defeat to four-time Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli, signaling a strong rejection of traditional political power structures. Backed by the Rashtriya Swatantrata Party, led by Ravi Lamichane, Balen's campaign focused on change, digital governance, and accountability. Interestingly, his campaign style broke all norms. He spoke for just 26 minutes throughout the election campaign, but managed to secure massive public support, showing the power of digital influence and youth mobilization. His rise comes after a period of intense unrest, including Gen Z-led protests that led to the ousting of the Oli government. These protests were fueled by anger over corruption, unemployment, and even controversial moves like restrictions on social media, issues that strongly resonate with young audiences across India as well. On the global stage, Balen's leadership is already drawing attention. Narendra Modi congratulated him, expressing hope to strengthen India-Nepal ties. Meanwhile, China has also welcomed his appointment, indicating a renewed geopolitical focus on Nepal. As Prime Minister, Balen has already moved quickly, reshaping his cabinet and merging ministers to improve efficiency. He has retained key portfolios like defense and industry, commerce, and supplies, signaling a hands-on leadership style.